Over the next few minutes, we'll take you through some of the updates within SOLIDWORKS over the last 4 releases, along with a few key updates in SOLIDWORKS 2024. Let's first look at user experience. Sketch Dimension Preview. You can preview and edit a dimension as you select one or more entities, allowing for much faster dimension creation. Within Notes and Tables, we can now append the property with the units. Great for properties like mass or surface area. 2022 saw better model manipulation with smoother graphics handling for assemblies and large parts. Silhouette edges and CPU constraints are no longer issues, resulting in improved frame rates during panning, zooming and rotating. With 2024, SOLIDWORKS users can now save their designs as an older version, up to 2 years prior to the latest release for parts, assemblies and drawings. The Customize Toolbars menu now features a search by command bar, making it much quicker and easier to find commands and then drag and drop onto your toolbars. You can toggle the visibility of reference geometry with the Q key shortcut. This continues to work even while editing a feature, helping to streamline your workflow. The S key shortcut now includes a search bar, great to customize quickly or to help you find commands. Comments have seen some improvements over the years and now allow for customized text, images and color coding. On to parts next. The symmetric option within linear patterns allows you to pattern in the opposite direction with one click, directly from the property manager. The Stud Wizard, available on the Whole Wizard drop-down, allows you to create external thread stud features using the same familiar database as threads. This tool can help reduce file sizes and complexity as it's purely cosmetic. 2024 adds in functionality to the Whole Wizard, allowing users to reuse existing sketches for whole positions. Also included is the ability to skip instances. In sheet metal, you can add flanges to non-planar tangent edges with full flattening capabilities. A new option for full flush miters allows for much more control of the corner trimming of weldment parts. The Color Picker tool in Appearances gives you Photoshop style functionality, allowing you to select custom colors from any interface or web page. Working with mesh bodies is easier and more flexible with the new ability to apply features to mesh bodies. New for 2024 is the Sheet Metal Stamping tool. This eliminates the need for form tool creation with the option to create a stamp or form feature on the fly using just a sketch. If you're looking for performance gains, the D-Feature tool includes the ability to create simplified configurations with ease. Let's have a look at assemblies now. First up is the option to fix or float components when inserting them into an assembly, giving you much greater flexibility when adding parts. The Widthmate now has improved intelligence when selecting face pairs, speeding up the process. Importing step files includes the option to enable filters. This allows you to selectively choose which parts to import, making sure you only bring in the geometry you want. D-Feature also includes a rules-based editor. You can build rules for different scenarios, great if you are outputting files to different vendors on a regular basis. The slot mate is now available from the Quick Mates toolbar, giving access to all options on a drop-down menu. The angle mate also finds its way onto the Quick Mates toolbar too. Springs and bellows can adjust to reflect updated positions using Make Part Flexible. This helps you visualize your parts in different conditions in the same assembly. Performance improvements are a common request from users, and over the years we have seen improved opening times on large assemblies and tools to help understand performance like Open Diagnostics. Auto Repair Mates allows you to fix mate errors in one click, perfect if you've replaced the component. End conditions are now synchronized across parts and assemblies. No longer do we see different end conditions available to us. Magnetic mates are a great option to quickly assemble components and are now more configurable for easier use. SOLIDWORKS can now selectively switch certain components to lightweight mode for you. Enabling the option allows SOLIDWORKS to better optimize performance. Let's close things off by looking at drawings. Improvements to chain dimension in drawings mean you can ensure your chain dimensions remain collinear even when space is limited. If you choose to override dimensions, these now show up in a different colour, giving much greater visibility. Alternate position views can now be created from configurations within part models. Detailing mode allows users to open huge drawings in seconds. Great for when you want a quick look at the drawing. Drawings pan and zoom have been significantly improved with the enhanced graphics performance. We've seen a new streamlined interface introduced for geometric tolerancing. Detailing mode also allows for dimensions to be added to the model without fully resolving. Great for those quick edits. You can open drawings from top-level files. If you modify a bomb cell, you can apply custom colours, helping identify what's changed. Within auto balloons, you can include component quantity. Bills of materials can have filters applied, making it easier to see the relevant data. And the new option allows you to see through transparent components in drawings. To find out more, visit the What's New page or get in contact with SolidX.